Okay, so for changing batteries in a thermostat, there's all different types. This thermostat does have batteries. Some digital thermostats do not. Some of the smart thermostats out there do not have batteries. They're powered from the furnace. So it's kind of a 50-50 chance if your thermostat has batteries or not. But if it does, they'll need to be changed once in a while. On this particular thermostat, the easiest way to get to these batteries is to pull it off of its base plate. It's kind of hard when I'm just holding on to it here, but you'll see here. So this part is typically, this would stay on the wall. This is what gets mounted to the wall. And this is the thermostat that gets removed from the base plate. On the back of the thermostat is where the AA batteries are for this one. So you would change those batteries, and then you want to make sure that you have the thermostat perfectly lined up with the base plate before pushing it all the way in there. The reason for that is if you look on the back of the thermostat, there's little pins. Those pins need to perfectly line up with these terminals before you connect it to the base plate. Otherwise, we can bend or break those pins and cause some more issues. So just make sure, be aware of the alignment of that base plate before snapping it all the way in. Before you go to remove that, just take a peek around your thermostat. Some different models of thermostats might have a little battery access door from the top corner. They might have a little flip down door from down here that you can change the batteries from the front. There's some thermostats out there that maybe have a little set screw down here holding that thermostat to its base plate. So check for some of that stuff before you just go yanking on the thermostat there and pulling it off the wall, because there might be an easier way to change the batteries on your thermostat.